So bekune interview uLucky Legwadi ade kuyona. Le interview le ade bembuza abadlali bangempela abadlalayo kuDerby, abadlali abadingakalayo kuDerby, yabo, asekadlala nabo nabadlali asekababona nje imidlala in today's derby, yabo, bambuza ngabadlali beOrlando Pirates, yabo. Kunomdlali ambalile lo mdlali lo ukhona kusquad seOrlando Pirates, uneyinkinga niyalazi nonke udaba laMonapolisa Saling has been sidelined by Orlando Pirates. He has been sidelined by Orlando Pirates isikhathi eside, yabo. Sagcina umbona sidlala against iAl Ahly, sijwayele ukumbona kuma training sessions but engayitholi igame time, yabo. So kule derby le ade bem-interviewa ke uLucky Legwadi, bambuthi ibapha abadlali ngokwakho, yabo, aba perfect for iDerby. Washo ukuthi uMonapolisa Saling is one of those players noma bangadlala kahle, but when it comes to iDerby, he knows uMonapolisa Saling they will deliver, yabo. I feel like lento ade yisho bethi iqiniso. Uma usubheka uMonapolisa Saling last season, the last derby that we played against the Kaizer Chiefs, remember the guy wayesathanda kubuya kwi-injury, wayengayitholi kakhulu game time, yabo. Indisizini yakhe engekho mnandi, but uJose Rivero wa-risk wamfaka against the Kaizer Chiefs, seswina ngo-3-2. Umjida washaya i-brace kulo game leyo, yabo. uMonapolisa Saling is one of those players omdingayo kahle mekuzodlala ama-big games, yabo. Ushilo umjida wathi uyena uMonapolisa Saling benomfukeng ibona abadlali, yabo, when it comes to iDerby ongabafanga impela ongathembela kubona, yabo. So kule derby soyidlala kuleli sonto against the Kaizer Chiefs, Kaizer Chiefs right now inomfutho, sathana kubuya kwi-win of 4-0 against ama-free agents, yabo. Nathi sathana kuwina against Richards Bay lapha eMlazi. Ngokubona kwakho, should Monapolisa Saling starts this game against the Kaizer Chiefs because umjida unayo experience, he has experience, and mase afike groundini akakunikeza lento oyifunayo. Nala season kwakukanje, uMonapolisa Saling wayengadlali because wayesasana kubuya kwi-injury. This season asazi kwenzakalani because umjida akakaze abe ne-injury, yabo. Izinto zenzeka behind the scenes, and ukufaka unkota mhlambe ngayifaka i-pressure kwintwana because yabo, masubhede kwiDerby, leyo nto iyakulandela ngempela, ugcina ungasadlali, yabo. Semkhumbula uNdlondlo wabheda kwiDerby, sagcina nokumbona umbona uNdlondlo edlala. Yamkhumbula uNda washaya i-own goal kwiDerby. uNda nako waye-regain i-confidence yakhe, umjida wabuyela because uNda he's a top player, yabo. Abadlali abaningi abasurvive bemenza ama-mistakes kwi-Soweto Derby. Ompontshane nje ngiyakhumbula ama-mistakes ababa wenza Ompontshane beze beshawa igoli laMarta, yabo. So ngempela unkota mase semfake kule game le, I feel like umjida mayasenza i-mistake kule game, yabo, ngamlandela lokho, yabo, angadlali mhlambe kahle. So I feel like mina it's best ukuthi simqale uMonapolisa Saling, mhlambe uMonapolisa Saling mingadeliver simfaka unkota second half. Ngangitshela ama-comments, should Monapolisa Saling starts le game le ye-derby because simbonile last week ejima neclub, yabo. Simbonile umjida ejima akanankinga, akanalutho, yabo. Singesazi ke phela wasambona edlala against iAl Ahly. Ngangitshela wena ama-comments, uVane Sports libafisa.